Welcome to the M-Series wood installation video. Before installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is off. For this installation, you will need a router with a flush router bit, item for smoothing or filing, wood screws or clamps, a screwdriver. And for DMF products, you will need an M-Series housing, M-Series modules and trims, and an M-Series wood template. Locate and install housing in the ceiling. Before installing the ceiling, route the building's electrical supply wires into the housing through any knockout. Splice the electrical wires to the bare wire leads in the junction box according to local regulations. Center template on intended hole position on the back side of the wood panel. Secure template to wood panel with clamps or wood screws. Use the flush router bit to cut a hole around the inside of the template. Smooth any rough edges using a file. Flip the wood panel and center to the ceiling. Attach the ground wire. Loosen the wing nuts inside housing and lower the housing to be flush with the wood panel. Then, tighten the wing nuts to lock the housing in place. Align trim onto module and turn trim clockwise until secure. Note: trim must be securely attached to the module. Attach the module to the quick connect. Push the module and trim evenly into the housing until the spring clips engage and trim is flush with the ceiling. As always, the M-Series is plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. M-Series, our most versatile product offering.